Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today will be a quick discussion on why F is equal to ma, which is an equation which is highly used in physics. So today we'll be looking at the derivation of F is equal to ma. Now let us look at Newton's second law, which states that F is directly proportional to the change in momentum, the rate of change of momentum. So F is directly proportional to the change in momentum per unit time, which is the rate of change of momentum. So is this clear? So we'll move on to the next step. So F copied exactly, directly proportional copied exactly, delta P. Now how can we change delta P? So we already know what is momentum. So momentum is equal to the product of mass and velocity. So we can easily substitute it. So we can write this as mv minus mu. I'll explain this in a minute. And per unit time as already written here. So mv minus mu refers to the final momentum minus the initial momentum. So mv minus mu whole upon unit time. Now the question arises, how will we remove the proportionality sign? Because clearly there is no proportionality sign here. So the way to remove this is to introduce a constant. So we'll put an equal sign and introduce a constant which is taken as k. So k, and let's copy it exactly, mv minus mu whole upon t. Now as we can clearly see mv minus mu. So if we go back to class 8, we can take m common. So F is equal to k, m is common, m v minus u by t. Now we already know what is the equation for acceleration. What is acceleration? So acceleration is always equal to the initial velocity, the final velocity minus initial velocity per unit time. So a is equal to v minus u by t. V minus u by t. Right, so we can convert this to a. So F is equal to k m a. Now how do we remove this proportionality sign? So the way to remove this proportionality sign is that we must find what the value of k is. So in the textbook it states that F is the SI unit of F is Newton. So it states that 1 Newton is equal to the force produced by 1 kilogram of substance, and the acceleration of it should be 1 meter per second square. So 1, 1, 1. So the value of k will also be 1, so as to not change the equation. So the value of k, let me write it here also quickly. So the value of k will be 1. So if the value of anything is 1, so if we multiply it with any number, the result will always be the number itself. That is 1 into x will always be equal to x. So we can remove this constant because it is not needed now. So F is equal to ma. This is the final equation. Thank you for watching, and more such videos will be coming soon. Thank you very much.